What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the NXFire G20 wireless Bluetooth earbuds with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation, the Qualcomm aptX 3020 chip, and 7 hours playtime on a single charge for the earbuds. I picked up on Amazon Prime for $39.99. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of the NXFire G20. We're going to see what comes in the box and we're going to see how they sound. These earbuds originally retailed for $49.99, but they're currently $10 off and are retailing for $39.99. Nonetheless, out of 871 customer reviews, these get 4.5 out of 5 stars. If we look at the box here, it does say that they are CVC 8.0 for better call quality. They are water resistant and sweat proof up to IPX8, which is actually very impressive for a pair of earbuds as inexpensive as these. Also, telling by the box, it looks like we get that very interesting charge case, just like we got with the NXFire F1. We'll have to check that out. I was really pleased with the ergonomics of the last charging case that the NXFire earbuds came with. Overall, I was actually pretty impressed with the NXFire F1. Let's go ahead and check out these G20. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So I've got the handy dandy scissors here. We'll just go ahead and make a little incision in the back there and just peel off some of this wrapping paper for you guys. Probably one of the smallest boxes that I've seen on the channel thus far. I guess that is what makes it a convenience good, perhaps, is this very tiny box. So this top box just slides right off like so, and there are our NXFire G20 earbuds right in their charge case. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. We'll just go ahead and open this up, and it looks like we get added ear tips, which is really nice. We'll go ahead and lay those down. We do get an NXFire warranty card, which is really nice. It does say, "Thanks for choosing NXFire. This is a guarantee card, 3 months replacement or full refund, 12 months worry-free warranty." Take a screenshot of that. And last but not least is a user manual in multiple languages. So as I speak, these headphones are in stock. If you order them now, you can get them tomorrow, most likely. That is exactly how long it took me to get these earbuds. Let's go ahead and see what they sound like. They've been sitting in the charge case for a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and connect them, and then I'm gonna come back with my first impressions of what they sound like. Okay, so real quick before we get into the sound impressions here, the earbuds themselves actually come with this tape. I don't know if you guys can see this tape on my finger right there, but it comes with this tape around the charging port here. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. See the charging prongs right there? They're actually covered up by a piece of tape. So what we have to do is we have to go ahead and tear this tape off. And now that the tape is off, we can charge the earbuds. So let's go ahead and throw them in the charge case for a few minutes, and then I'll come back with the sound impressions. So as they're charging, I just want to go ahead and show you what the earbuds themselves look like. There they are in their charge case. The LED indicator lights are lit up, indicating that they are charging, that they are not fully charged, that they are securely fitting in the charge case, which is very convenient, which is very satisfying. This leather case closes very nicely, and the headphones themselves, the earbuds themselves, even though they kind of feel a little bit cheap in the ear, they actually slide down into the charge case really nicely, actually. Look at that satisfactory, absolutely fantastic. You get this nice leather little case here with the NXFire logo on the front. There are some LED indicator lights on the bottom of the charge case. On the side is your charge port. So we've got the right hand side and we have the left hand side. What's really nice is when You put them in your ear for the first time, a voice does come up over the earbuds. It sounds crystal clear and it says pairing. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. If you're in the market for an inexpensive, good sounding pair of earbuds, they're not great. They don't sound quite as good as the Skullcandy Sesh. Overall, I think the Enikfire G20 are a very stylish, very inexpensive pair of earbuds. These, like I said, were $49.99 originally. They are $39.99, so they're a little bit on the cheaper side, and they definitely feel that way when they're sitting in your ear. They're actually very lightweight, but they do feel a little bit cheap as well, and I think that has to do with the material. Nonetheless, you're here for the sound impressions. The sound will not blow you away, but it's good enough. It really is. I think if you actually mess around with your EQ settings on your smartphone, you might be able to find an EQ setting that makes these headphones sound pretty decent and good, and something that you can get used to and enjoy listening to, I think. I really like this charge case. I really like the fact that they come with added ear tips at this price point and at this level of the game. You know, it's 2020. If you're gonna buy a pair of true wireless earbuds, they've either gotta have active noise cancellation, or if they don't have active noise cancellation, they've at least gotta have an extra pair of ear tips so that they at least fit in your ear and provide some sort of noise isolation. And these do that, which I am happy to say, but they're just not gonna blow you away sound-wise. I think if you want better sound, step up to this Soundcore Liberty Air 2. They also come in black. So these just come in black, but the Soundcore Liberty Air 2, they're kind of an AirPods alternative. They come in black and white, but you know, I was able to mess around with the EQ settings on my phone. Bass booster sounds great. In fact, the bass is actually pretty pronounced and pretty clear on these earbuds, which I really enjoy. These are definitely better than your Apple EarPods, or say a pair of AKG earbuds that come with your Samsung Galaxy device. These are a good enough pair of wireless earbuds. I even think they're actually a little bit more professional looking than the Enikfire F1 I reviewed a few weeks ago. Would I say that these are better than the Enikfire F1? No. I would say that the Enikfire F1 sounded just a little bit better than these. What I really like about these earbuds, first and foremost, is the touch controls. You get double tap, triple tap, long press on the left-hand side for 3 seconds to decrease audio volume, press and hold down on the right-hand side to increase audio volume, play, pause, answer, receive calls with just a single tap. A double tap is to skip a track, a triple tap is to rewind your tracks. All you have to do is check the user manual once you pick these earbuds up for yourself. But what I really like about the fact that the touch controls work so well and are so varied is that for a $39 pair of earbuds, you do get access to all of those controls and voice assistant and CVC 8.0 for $39. I think these are actually a phenomenal pair of earbuds. These are a great casual pair of earbuds if you just want to throw them in your backpack, or maybe even have a backup pair to your AirPods. One thing that I've noticed about wireless earbuds is that the charge case actually does hold quite a long charge. When I actually had my original AirPods, and when I actually got my AirPods Pro, my original AirPods sat around for weeks at a time without being used, and I would go and pick them up to use them and they would still work fine. So I expect the same from these Enikfire F1. I think they would make a great backup pair of earbuds. Or if you're just in the market for a really inexpensive pair of earbuds, they're great for that too. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, the Enikfire G20 are a convenience good because I picked them up off of Amazon Prime. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing first impressions and sort of shorthand review of the Enikfire G20. I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.